everyone, and welcome back to a very merry edition of Sign Language Worship. My name is Mandy, and I am so glad that you are here. Today, we are wrapping up our Christmas song blitz with We Wish You a Merry Christmas. Now, this is just going to be a one-part tutorial. I'm not going to make a cover for this one. The great thing about this song is that it's nice and simple, and it's perfect for beginners or kids. So get started right away. After housekeeping, remember, I am left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs, which makes learning lots easier for the majority of you. Also, if you look below this video in the description, you'll find helpful links like printing off the lyrics. And last but not least, please consider subscribing to the channel. That way you won't miss any of your favorite songs. Okay, so this starts with We Wish You a Merry Christmas. So for we, you're gonna make a W. So there are your three middle fingers going up, and you're gonna go from your dominant shoulder around to your non-dominant shoulder, okay? We, and then wish. So for wish, you're gonna cup your hand in a C, and then starting here at your ribs, you're gonna move down, okay? You wanna be careful that you're not doing it up here, because this actually means hunger, okay? So wish. We wish you a merry. So you're just pointing at the other person that you're singing to, and merry is good or happy, okay? Happy. Occasionally you'll see someone do this. Both are totally acceptable. Okay, a merry, and then Christmas, this is a sign for day, and then Christmas, you're going to make a C, okay? Whether or not you have your hand here or not here, it doesn't matter, okay? Christmas. Let's try that line from the top. We wish you a Merry Christmas, and then that repeats. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So for those of you who want to sign and, it's that. But if you're a beginner or you're signing with kids, I would recommend leaving that out. Okay, so and happy, same as merry. And then new, you're going to take your dominant hand and cup it into your non-dominant hand. And then for year, taking two fists, moving your dominant fist around your non-dominant fist, like that. Okay? So let's try that from the top. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now, good tidings we bring to you and your kin. So good is just out from your chin like this, okay? Good, and then tidings. I think this is the trickiest sign in this song. So you're gonna take one hand here at your forehead, one hand here kind of at your chin or kind of close to your mouth, and then going out like this, okay? And then opening your fingers up. I kind of imagine that as something that you know, something that you say, and you're putting it out there. Okay, tidings means news, and this is a sign for news. Okay, good tidings we bring. So in this case, I would leave we out and just do bring. So imagine holding something, you have it here, and you're gonna bring it. Okay, we bring to you and your kin. So kin means family. So for this, you're making F's, okay? Index finger and thumb together, and you're starting together here and then moving around, okay? So let's try that line together. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin, okay? Let's try that again. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. And then it goes back to, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. In the next chorus, bring us some figgy pudding. So I've seen it start with, oh, bring us, or now, and those are the signs, but you can leave those out. You don't need them there, but this is a sign for oh, and this is a sign for now, if you wanted to use them. Okay, so bring us figgy pudding. I wouldn't recommend us, but if you wanted to, throw it in there. I'm just gonna say, bring figgy pudding. Now, I don't know if you knew, but figgy pudding is actually fruit cake. So we're gonna say, bring fruit cake. So then you're making an F here at your chin and kind of tipping it forward, okay? Fruit and then cake, non-dominant hand here, and you're kind of making a square with your other hand and bringing it up, okay? So, bring us figgy pudding, bring us figgy pudding, bring us figgy pudding, bring it right here. Bring it, and then here you just kind of have your hands open and move in a circle. Okay, that's nice and easy, right? And then it goes back to the chorus. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Okay, and then final chorus, we won't go until we get some, these rude little children. Okay, so there's a lot in there, we won't go until we get some. So I'll give you all the signs and then we're gonna cut some out again. So we, okay, that W from shoulder to shoulder, and this is when anything is negative. Okay, kind of a thumbs out from your chin. Okay, not, and then going, taking 2 index finger, go, okay? So we're not going until, so you take your index finger of your dominant hand and bring it to your index finger of your non-dominant hand. Until, and then get some is like this, okay? We're essentially taking it, okay? So you can do we, but I'm probably gonna start with not. We're not going until we get some. We're not going until we get some. We're not going until we get some. And then once again, bring it right here. Okay, and then one last chorus. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And the song said it, and I just want to repeat it, that I am wishing you all the very merriest of Christmases and a Happy New Year. I will be back next week with a new song. If it's not released on Monday, I must be in a turkey coma, but I will start releasing a new song next week. I love you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye. If you liked today's video, please click like. It gives me the encouragement I need to make more. Also, don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll miss no future songs. And lastly, share Sign Language Worship on Facebook. Find a friend to learn sign with. That way, you're both more likely to stick with it. See you later.